Hello guys, hope you all have fulfilled our software requirement and have configured your PC, because our player will run only on the PC which is configured. So to download your player, go to your registered email ID which is registered with us and download your player. You will get an email with the subject kindly download our player. This is our download link, so click here, download it, and make sure to have a backup of your user ID and password. Record it somewhere in your phone, in your mobile phone. Now, as this is our player which we have downloaded and we have backed our user ID and password, let's extract it. This is our player, this one. You'll find such files of our player with a folder lectures. Now put this player anywhere on your PC where you can find that you have enough space to store your lectures. Like I am storing this in my E drive, and send a desktop shortcut of DSVPlayer as well as lectures, this folder where we will put our lectures. Deleting everything else. So this is the folder where we put our lectures. So let's connect the hard disk that you will get. These are the lectures which you have to copy and paste in this lecture folder. Once it's done, you are done with player installation. Now open this player. You can see this or such any kind of dialog box interrupting because some backend processes are going on. So I am closing them all. Put your user ID here and your password, and that's it. You're logged in our player. These are the lectures which you have put it in that folder. Now see, each lectures have two parts, before break and after break. And when you select that lecture, you will see the count left. These are the counts that we have put it for the number of views you can view our lectures. Let's continue and decrypt this lecture by pressing this button. Click OK, and you have to wait for a while. When it's done, it says you may proceed. Click OK. Now press play button. It may happen that you need to click 2 times on the play button. So our video is start playing. I want to notice you all that this span bar cannot be used to forward or backward the video. You can double click the video directly to put it on the full screen, and then you can use this seek bar to make the video forward and backward. Also, these are the voice controls and minimize and maximize button. All other buttons work properly here. This is hide playlist button. This is to make it on full screen. Mute, and this is our audio button. Also make sure that we have increased the volume of the player more than 100%. So this is our 100%, and when you need more volume you have to press up arrow key. By doing so you can increase the volume up to 200%. Play the video. Too much volume. Now if you want to play that video again and again without worrying about the counts, you can do so until you press you first please notice that when you are playing a video lecture, all the tree structure is disabled. This button is also disabled. So when you want to release this, press this green powered button again, and press on release. Now you can select any other video lecture, and you can notice that now the video count is decremented by 1. So this is our player, and that's it.